In this video, we'll look at mass. Mass is a measurement of how much stuff something is made of. We'll use a two-pan balance, a triple beam balance, and a digital balance to measure mass. In a two-pan balance, you start with your object in one pan and you put gram weights in the other pan, and you check and see when it's balanced in the middle. If we look at these gram weights, we'll note that the mass of this object is 500 grams. That's the largest mass. It's difficult to read, but these medium-sized masses are each 20 gram masses. And then the smaller masses are each 2 gram masses. So if we measure or add all of these masses together, we get 544 grams of mass in one pan, equal to the mass in the other pan. We can also measure mass on a triple beam balance. On the triple beam balance, you have to add the masses on the triple beams. In this large mass is if it were here, it'd be 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So that mass is 500 grams. Plus, this would be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 grams. Plus, now this one's difficult to read, 0, 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's halfway between 3 and 4. So that would be 3.5 grams. Added together, this is 543.5. And we can't see the lines, but if you could see it more clearly, you could see that it's right on the 0.5, not in between the lines. So that would be 543.50 grams. This 0, meaning that's right on the line, is called an uncertain figure. That means the measurement is accurate up to the number before the uncertain figure. If we look on a digital balance, we can see that the mass of this object is measuring 544 grams. The 4, the last number on a digital balance, is always the uncertain figure. Meaning on this digital balance that this mass is at least 540 grams. We're not sure how much above 540 grams it is. Now let's look at grams to pounds. It's difficult to measure to see the scale on this, but we know from before that we measured 544 grams on 2 of our tools. and we can look up 1 pound equals 453.592 grams. If we divide 544 by 453.592 grams, we get 1.199 pounds. Or about 1.20 pounds. This object is just slightly over a pound. Finally, let's look at the mass of our rock from our volume video. The mass on this triple beam balance equals, this right here is at 0 grams. We can write 0 grams plus this is at 0, 10, 20 grams plus this is the 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the 4. Looks like to me it's right on 3.50. 3.5, it's right on the line, so we'll put a 0. This is the uncertain figure. The one we had to guess that it was right on the line, the 0.5 line. So if we add all this together, our rock is 23.50 grams.